15 Festive Balloon Christmas Decor Ideas 2024. Welcome to our Christmas Decor Ideas video, where we're bringing holiday cheer to life with creative, whimsical balloon decorations. If you're looking to make your holiday gatherings truly unforgettable, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore 15 unique and festive balloon decor concepts perfect for adding magic to your Christmas celebration. From enchanting winter wonderland arches and playful Santa and reindeer sculptures to charming gingerbread houses and glowing garlands, we have ideas for every style and space. Whether you're hosting a family gathering, planning a holiday party, or simply want to add a touch of joy to your home, these balloon designs are sure to inspire. So grab a cozy drink, sit back, and let's dive into these enchanting Christmas balloon decor ideas that will make this season extra memorable. Idea number 1. Winter Wonderland Balloon Arch. A stunning winter wonderland balloon arch stands tall, decked out in frosty blues, whites, and shimmering silvers. Snowflake-shaped balloons sparkle along the arch, enhancing its icy look, while delicate silver tinsel cascades between the balloons like frost on a chilly morning. Tiny LED lights are woven throughout, creating a warm, enchanting glow that softly illuminates the arch, making it perfect for holiday photos. The background hints at snowy landscapes, bringing the entire winter theme together in a captivating way. This elegant arch, resembling a portal to a magical snowy realm, invites guests into a cozy, festive Christmas celebration filled with seasonal charm. Idea number 2. Santa and Reindeer Balloon Sculpture. A delightful balloon sculpture captures Santa Claus with his jolly red suit and matching hat, complete with black boots and a gleeful expression. His reindeer stand by his side, crafted from brown balloons, with large eyes and small antlers that add a whimsical touch. Green balloons resembling Santa's gift sack are slung over his shoulder, hinting at the holiday excitement. Positioned near a beautifully decorated Christmas tree, the entire setup exudes warmth, joy, and the spirit of Christmas. This cheerful balloon display not only embodies Santa's iconic look, but also brings to life a charming scene that captures the magic of the holiday season. Idea number 3. Candy cane balloon columns. 2 towering balloon columns stand like giant candy canes, spiraling with vibrant red and white balloons that mimic classic peppermint stripes. The columns frame a doorway, adding a sweet, festive welcome as guests enter. Their bold colors and whimsical shape create a joyful Christmas ambience that feels reminiscent of candy shops and holiday treats. Positioned on either side of a doorway or lining an entrance, these candy cane columns bring a cheerful touch to the holiday setting, making them a perfect feature for parties, gatherings, or a special family moment under the mistletoe. Idea number 4. Balloon Christmas Tree. A unique Christmas tree crafted entirely from balloons stands proudly, made up of clusters of green balloons that form the lush branches. Red, gold, and silver balloons act as ornaments, nestled among the branches, with a glistening golden star balloon on top. The creative design is both festive and functional, serving as a lively alternative to a traditional tree and an eye-catching conversation piece. Whether placed in a small apartment, office, or as a centerpiece at a holiday party, this balloon Christmas tree brings a fresh twist to the season's decorations while preserving the traditional spirit. Idea number 5. Gingerbread house balloon decor. A charming gingerbread house built from brown balloons takes shape, with icing details made of white balloons that add a frosty, whimsical touch. Red and green balloon candies decorate the walls, and the roof displays peppermint swirls, creating a playful holiday effect. This balloon gingerbread house looks like it's straight from a fairy tale, bringing joy and a sense of wonder. Perfect for a family gathering or kids area, it exudes warmth, nostalgia, and all the sweetness of the holiday season without any of the calories. Idea number 6. Snowman balloon sculpture. A delightful snowman, crafted from gleaming white balloons, stands tall, wearing a black balloon hat and boasting a cheerful, round face. Black balloon buttons run down his snowy body, and an orange balloon forms his carrot nose. A colorful scarf draped around his neck brings in festive colors, while his open, friendly expression gives him a welcoming presence. Positioned at the entrance or as a photo op in a festive room, this snowman brings a classic winter feel indoors and adds a playful, interactive element to holiday gatherings. Idea number 7. Hanging balloon ornaments. Bright red, green, and gold balloon ornaments float gracefully from the ceiling, creating the illusion of giant Christmas tree baubles. Metallic and glittery finishes catch the light, giving the room a warm, reflective glow that amplifies the festive ambience. Each ornament is suspended by an invisible string, making them appear to float in midair. These oversized, floating ornaments add a touch of magic and elegance to the space, turning an ordinary room into a Christmas wonderland that feels luxurious yet fun. Idea number 8. Elf balloon characters. Mischievous little elf characters made from balloons sit playfully around the room, adding a touch of holiday cheer. Each elf is dressed in red, green, and white, with big balloon eyes and expressive faces that look as though they're about to make some holiday mischief. Positioned near doors, tables, or as greeters by the entrance, these balloon elves bring a whimsical, kid-friendly element to the space. Their charming design makes them a hit with children and adults alike, creating a fun, magical atmosphere that captures the spirit of Christmas. Idea number 9. Christmas wreath balloon decoration. A large, circular wreath of green balloons is adorned with red and gold balloon berries, mimicking a traditional holiday wreath. This oversized decoration is perfect for a door or wall, offering a festive welcome to anyone who enters. The vibrant green base provides a lush, full look, while the red and gold accents add warmth and holiday color. This creative, balloon-based wreath presents a modern, light-hearted twist on a classic symbol, making it ideal for those looking to add something playful yet stylish to their Christmas decor. Idea number 10. Nutcracker balloon guards. 2 impressive Nutcracker balloon sculptures stand guard at the entrance, each decked out in a red and blue uniform with black and gold accents. Their tall, imposing figures bring a sense of tradition and elegance, while their friendly faces make them approachable and festive. With their detailed balloon uniforms and regal presence, these Nutcrackers serve as perfect holiday greeters, adding a classic Christmas charm to any space. This setup is ideal for traditional Christmas lovers who appreciate the storybook feel of holiday decor. Idea number 11. Balloon fireplace display. A cozy fireplace crafted from red, brown, and black balloons offers a warm holiday centerpiece. Red and orange balloons mimic the flames, while a mantle made from brown balloons completes the look. White balloons at the top represent the smoke, with tiny balloon stockings hung on the mantle for a festive touch. This balloon fireplace gives a realistic yet whimsical feel, capturing the warmth of a traditional hearth. Perfect for settings without a real fireplace, this display brings cozy holiday vibes and creates a heartwarming photo backdrop. Idea number 12. Christmas tree balloon garland. A garland of tiny green balloon Christmas trees, each dotted with red and gold ornaments, winds along a staircase railing or wall. The garland offers a festive touch with a whimsical edge, perfect for adding Christmas cheer in small or transitional spaces. The mini trees create a cascading effect that adds dimension and a playful, modern twist to traditional garlands. Each small tree is crafted with care, making the garland feel detailed and enchanting, adding holiday magic wherever it's draped. Idea number 13. Reindeer balloon headbands. Playful reindeer headbands made of balloons become an instant hit, with brown antlers and red nose balloons capturing the essence of the season. Each guest wears one of these fun accessories, adding a touch of holiday cheer to their look and making photos feel even more festive. The wearable balloon designs bring lightheartedness to any Christmas gathering, encouraging everyone to participate in the holiday spirit. These headbands are perfect for family photos, holiday parties, and bringing out the inner child in everyone. Idea number 14. Snow globe balloon display. A captivating snow globe made from a large transparent balloon showcases tiny balloon trees and snowmen inside, with white confetti mimicking falling snow. The globe sits as a centerpiece on tables, bringing a sense of winter magic to the room. Its delicate, whimsical design feels both festive and elegant, making it an ideal piece for adding sophistication to a holiday spread. This snow globe is a beautiful nod to Christmas nostalgia, offering a serene and magical scene that captures the charm of wintertime. Idea number 15. Holiday balloon garland with LED lights. A glowing garland of red, green, and white balloons is intertwined with soft LED lights, creating a warm, festive ambience. Draped over a mantle or staircase, the lights give the garland a gentle glow, illuminating the balloons in a way that adds coziness to the room. Each balloon reflects the light, creating a sparkling effect that feels perfect for Christmas gatherings. This garland brings a balanced blend of elegance and festivity, making it an inviting addition to any holiday setting and a beautiful backdrop for seasonal photos. That's all our 15 festive balloon Christmas decors. I hope you can pick one of the best idea for your own Christmas. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel for more incoming videos like this. Good luck and have a nice time.